Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with this style, guys. So this is my very first time doing soft locks on myself, and I've been seeing the trend of like the little barrels at the bottom. So I decided to try it, and I have fell in love. So the hair I'm using is, of course, from Outre. It is their Boulevard Locks in 24 inches. I did use 3 packs for this style. These locks are so full and thick. I just love the consistency of it. Also, I did use their natural black boho hair for the curly pieces that I have in my hair. I only used about 4 or 5 because I didn't want too many of them. And of course, I did use their springy afro kinky hair in the color 1, and I did use 1 pack of these. This is the gel that I use for my hair, y'all. When I tell you, this gel holds so good, but it turns your hair white. Oh my goodness. But I was not about to take my hair down and redo it because these parts took forever. Okay, so I parted my hair the day before I installed the soft locks because, you know, I have kids, I have a husband, I have a lot going on. So everything about the hair that I used in this video will be in my description box below. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, y'all. We are almost at 600,000 followers. Oh my gosh. Yes, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please share it, please like, please comment, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.
You're trying to spin the block now. Hell nah. Bring flowers to my job now. Oh, you realize what you lost now. I've been pressure never stop now, but I'm way too good at goodbyes. Bet you thought grass was green on that other whole side. Guess what? I'ma help you decide. Tattooed on my tears, no, I swear that you won't catch me cry. Got no reasons left to rewind. I gave you my word.